Okay, CardRecovery. From www.cardrecovery.com. It says download free trial now. So I did, installed it. So I wanted to find photos and videos. You can select which ones you want specifically. Although if you're wrong about it, it may not find the ones you're looking for. So I'm just going to select all. That card should only have movies from my camera on it though. It doesn't give you that option on photos. Or on audio. You can change the destination folder. And of course you want to tell it what you want to look at. Now this isn't very good because it's hard to tell. This is how I made this blooper in the first place. It's hard to tell E from F, especially when you get older and can't see as well. So let me see which drive is which. Okay, so E is the one that we're checking, the SD card. E. So we want to look at E. And then let's go to number 2. And it won't let you go at all. Oh, select no to proceed anyway. Okay, I'm going to pause the recording and come back because this could take an hour or more to actually find any files. And I'll be right back with you. Okay, so now the scan's complete. That did take over a half hour or more, I think. It's found 71 files. I don't like any program that you can't click and expand the window. They make you use these stupid little things. So it only found one MOV file, 2 MPG, and 1 AVI. Now this is sort of a plus. You don't have to bother with the previewing each one individually. It just shows them to you like this. I don't know what ASF is. Some of this stuff is already sold. So it won't let you preview the videos. So I'm going to deselect all and see if it'll let me recover these. And it doesn't. So when this says free trial, I guess their definition of a free trial is different than mine. Because this isn't really nothing but a big waste of an half hour. And it only found 3 of the video files. So CardRecovery is an epic fail as well. So I'm going to call this one a big fail. So as far as free evaluation, it didn't really find that much. How much is it? You can use it permanently after purchase, no monthly fees. That's a good thing. $40. Wow. Okay. So I would say this one's not very good.